safety of ground traffic on an airside mainly depends on the situational awareness of pilots in the cockpit and controllers in the tower about the actual position of aircraft and vehicles on the entire airside. The ADB near-range radar sensors fill the gap of large surveillance radars and multilateration, which might have a lack of accuracy and reliability at dedicated holding position, to track the position of all mobiles and aircraft 24 hours, 7 days a week, absolutely independent from weather and traffic conditions. And the sensors also are a kind of entrance scenario for smaller airports, which need at dedicated locations an increase of situational awareness, a detection and information about the position of aircraft and vehicle, especially in safety areas where low visibility becomes an issue in the dawn, in the evening, under slightly foggy conditions. ICAO, Annex 14, clearly specifies the required accuracy of the surveillance system. Once the nose of an aircraft has, in case of an unintended overrun of a holding position, overrun the position by 7 meters, a signal has to be generated and an information to be communicated and displayed in the tower. Our sensor is robust, small, easy to install and simply to maintain over the years. It is only one device which is located, mounted and installed only on one side of the paved area. It monitors up to a range of 200 meters all movements of vehicles, aircraft and mobiles, and generates automatically an alert if unintendedly an aircraft or a mobile has overrun the given holding position. It is also an economic benefit. If a local sensor helps the air traffic controller to keep the traffic on the ground more steady, this continuity of traffic flow may at the end result in a little bit higher throughput by maintaining the same level of safety. More throughput means more financial benefit for the airline and for the airport. So the sensors can contribute on the one hand to more safety, on the other hand to more economic value. And while aircraft in a more steady flow, they do not consume so much fuel due to the low efficiency of the engines in stop-and-go operation. So it is also an ecologic goal which we help the airport and the airlines to reach. This is the ADB near-range radar sensor. It consists of the sensor itself, mounted on an elevated pole, with a tilting device for accurate adjustment, a pole, a breakable coupling, and a foot, which is also used for taxiway edge lights, runway edge lights, and other elevated lights in the portfolio of ADB Airfield Solution. The sensor itself operates at 24 GHz near range and can track all the movements within the distance up to 200 meters. If you help air pilots and air traffic controllers to reduce the risk of runway incursions, you attribute positively to the increased level of safety on airports.